Hello everyone, my name is Xufeng Hu. I'm going to present our group project ShareIt. It is an application for image sharing and a social network service. There are 4 members in our group. The names are listed here. I'm going to talk about our project by following this schedule, or the 8 parts will be covered in details. Now let's get started. The purpose of this app, why we chose this topic ShareIt for our group project. On one side, it is because image sharing and social networking is a hot topic. A user-friendly and image-centered app allows users to easily connect with other users, and it offers a great platform to users to showcase their pictures and their thoughts. We can expect those type of apps will achieve bigger things in the coming years. On the other side, it's a good full-stack web development practice that we can get hands-on experience with what we learned from this course. ShareIt is the photo-sharing social media site. The APIs are built based on the CRUD paradigm, which provides basic types of functionality. CRUD represents create, retrieve, update, and delete resources. The CRUD paradigm is common in constructing web applications because it provides a memorable framework for reminding developers of how to construct full usable models. For the create operation, there are mainly 2 situations. Create new entries either for a new user sign up or a user create a new post. When the user is on a sign up page, the user needs to enter their email address, preferred username, password to create a new account. If the user clicks the sign up button, the sign up API will be triggered and the new user account will be created successfully. When the user wants to share the photos, they can click the plus button to send new posts. On the new post page, the user can add a description of the photo. They can also choose the photo from the computer and upload the photo by clicking the upload button. If the user finishes the content and the image is uploaded successfully, they can click the share button to send a new post. At that time, the post created view API will be triggered and a new post is created. Retrieve operation allows the user to read, retrieve, search, or view existing entries. It can provide a page showing a list of objects. For example, shows all posts of a specific user by using the type of list view. It can also return a specific object for detail interface by using the type of detail view. For example, when the user clicks a post, they will be directed to the post detail page. On the left part is the zoomed-in photo. On the right part, it will show the poster's account name on the top left, posting time on the top right, the description of the photo, the numbers of the likes this post got, and for the update operation, it allows the users to update or edit existing entries. When the user wants to update the existing information or try to add more details to the post, the user can click the button Update to start the action by uploading a new picture or editing posts. After editing the post, they can choose to cancel this update action or save the information they just edited. Delete operation. The user can go to their post page, delete their post if they want. When the user confirms delete action, post delete view API will be triggered. Then the post will be deleted, as well as the likes and the related data in the database will be deleted as well. The add-on features we created for our app are like, unlike feature, and follow and unfollow feature. When when the user view a post, they can like this post by clicking the heart button and the like API will be called. The heart will change to a solid heart in red color and the number of likes of the post will be incremented at the same time. User can cancel this like action by clicking the heart again. The heart will be changed to hollow. The follow and unfollow feature manages the connections among users. User profile page shows how many posts the poster has posted, how many followers the poster has, and how many people the poster is following. In particular, the user can choose to unfollow the poster if the poster's follower, or they can choose to follow the posters if they hasn't followed the poster before. Now we are talking about the technology that are utilized in our application. The front end is implemented through extending the template of Django as well as modifying CSS. We also use Bootstrap library to prettify the current application to achieve a fancy and attractive layout. The backend portion of the application is based on the Django framework, which is fast, robust, and flexible. It uses the SQLite database to store user information and posts. The client communicates with the backend through HTTP use the RESTful protocol, and we use Git to ensure our version control and finally deploy our project on Heroku. As we know, Django is the Python web framework, and like most modern framework, Django supports the MVT pattern. The MVT stands for Model View Template. It's a software design pattern. It is a collection of three important components. The model helps to handle database. It is the data access layer, which handles the data. The template is the presentation layer, which handles user interface part completely. The view is used to execute the business logic and interact with the model to carry data and renders a template. This diagram illustrates how each of the components of the MVT pattern interacts with each other to serve a user request. A user requests for a resource to the Django works as a controller and checks to the available resources in URL. If URL maps a view is called that interact with model and a template, it renders a template. Django responds back to the user and sends a template as a response. There's no separate controller or complete application is based on model view and template. That's why it is called the MVT application. Django supports 5 databases. And we choose SQLite because SQLite provides the excellent development alternative for applications that are predominantly read-only and or require a smaller installation footprint. Django comes with the user authentication system. It handles user accounts, groups, permissions, and cookie-based user sessions. The Django authentication system handles both authentication and authorization. Briefly, authentication verifies a user is who they claim to be, and authorization determines what an authenticated user is allowed to do. The authentication system in Django aims to be very generic and doesn't provide some features commonly found in web authentication systems. Solutions for some of these common problems have been implemented in third-party packages, such as password strengths checking, throttling of login attempts, authentication against third parties, or object-level permissions. And we've done several tests to ensure our programs go smoothly. Knowing that testing a web application is a complex task, because a web application is made of several layers of logic, from HTTP level request handling to formal validation and processing to template rendering. So we've conducted 2 major parts of tests. The first one is the functionality test, which tests the functionality manually via the web UI. There are 4 aspects in the functionality test. Authentication tests ensure the login and sign-up functions for users and super users. as well as allowing users to update account information. The second aspect tests the main features provided in the program, such as CRUD operations, like function and follow function. We also want to make sure the users can jump from one page to another smoothly and not stuck in the middle, so we test countless times to navigate through different pages, click different buttons and links. Last but not the least, we test our application on different browsers to provide the best user experience for different users with different preferences. The other one is the unit test. The preferred way to write tests in Django is using the unit test module built into the Python standard library. Django comes with a test suite of its own in the test directory of the codebase. We create a unit test for all the important methods in our code, such as getty, count of likes, and for each post. It's our policy to make sure all tests pass at all times. As for the deployment part, we deployed our website to a cloud platform called Heroku. We choose Heroku because it offers developers a simple and quick path to get their applications to market. Besides, it can deploy, scale, and deliver the app fast. We can see from our deployed application in the slides. Then let's go to our website and see how it works. I'm going to demo this app, and now I'm a new user, so first thing I need to create an account for myself. Sign up here. Just use the username and whatever email, and choose a profile picture. Password. Sign up. It shows that two password fields didn't match. So we type again. It works. Now we can log in. Okay, we're now on the home page, but we haven't followed any other user, so this page is blank now. So for the demo purpose, we can just use our test account. So I'm gonna log in with my account. Okay. Now we can see a lot of posts here. Since I already follow this user, so this page shows the posts of this user. And I can click like, so you can see the number of likes increment by 1. And if I click this button again, that means I cancel this like action, so the number goes down. And we can go to the user profile page. It shows how many posts I have. I followed 2 users, and I am followed by another user. And I can click this plus button to create a new post. Like anything hiding. Okay, save it. Yeah, it shows the picture. There's the 2 buttons up here, delete and edit. We click the edit button so we can edit this post. And this title is not for display purpose, so it was used for stored in the database, so help the admin to use this information to manage data. And we can click delete here, and we want to delete it. And we go to the, so it's not showing there. And this is an explore button. It shows all the posts of the users. Click each post, you can see the details, how many likes of this picture and who is the poster. And I can do like, okay, I haven't followed this user, so I can follow him now. Follow. Okay, it shows this user has 2 followers now. If I click this unfollow, okay, you change accordingly. And this shows 2 pictures, 2 posts of this user. Okay, if I click follow, I go to this home page. You should have the post of this user now. Because before we follow this user, we only see this user post. And now we can see both of the users' posts. And we, oh no, yeah, we go to this page. And we unfollow this person. And we go to the home page. Yeah, it does not have the post of that user anymore. And go to our profile page. We can edit our profile. We can choose another picture. We can use this one. Okay, update. Yeah. Now my profile picture changed to this new picture. I think that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. Now you have watched this demo video. Hope you get a better idea of our application. So if you have any questions, you can just go to our GitHub link or the YouTube link to find out more details. And thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you very much for your time, and Merry Christmas. Thank you.